Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick little video on my little Raspberry Pi slash Unify glorified monitoring screen. Posted a couple places on the internet. The whole purpose of this was to be able to sit at my desk and use my computer and not have to open up a web browser and actually just monitor this. So this is just a 7-inch touchscreen. I can touch it when mouse moves. Usually just keep the mouse over here. I am running beta version 5.9.22 with no issues at all. So over there in the rack we have a USG Pro 4. And just this is just a monitoring. I can go through all the buttons here. And it's just running off a Raspberry Pi and a single power adapter. So the Pi does get warm. Not warm right now, but I ordered a new case. It's a clear case with a fan on the top to do here. Screen works great. It's nice and clear. It's crisp. It's got a switch on the back, so if I walk away, I can go like this and turn it off. Or you can keep it turned on. Oops. As you can see right there, it's refreshing by itself. I have mine set to refresh every 15 seconds. The screen was 50 bucks Canadian, shipped to the door. The only thing I don't like about it is they put the ports on the side here, so if you want to make a case, you have to make a case that goes around this, make it bigger. My idea was to bolt the Raspberry Pi to the back of this and just have a single power cord plugged into it to have this sit on my desk up here somewhere where one of my speakers is, but maybe I'll search the internet a little bit more and find a different case. I'm going to probably grab another one of these and probably bolt it side by side here so I can look at my Pi hole box and this at the same time. But yeah, it's working just fine. I've got a keyboard in here just to play around, just in case I need to change any changes. But basically when you turn this on, Raspberry and Pi just opens up. I've been playing with the configs and breaking stuff like that, but here I'll show you a quick demo of what it does. So just unplug it. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand, sorry. Plug this back in. Without knocking the screen over. And you'll see that it boots. Yes, you can see me holding my camera. It's set up with wireless. I didn't really see any differences between wireless or wired. My access point. This is the only difference. I have to fix this because I changed the web page. So now if I just click this, it goes away. Go away. It'll auto start. And there it goes. Takes a couple seconds. And it's up and running. Pretty easy. So my access point isn't too far in my house. Just mounted right there. All my equipment's right here. I have a messy room because I'm cleaning up stuff. Soon to order a 48 port switch for the rack and a 8 port PoE switch. But here's the system. So I can click statistics. And it works. There's an activities is working. All that kind of stuff. But yeah, basically just designed and built this just so I can watch the dashboard when I was at work working, see what's going on. I wish I could have saw. If you notice on the USG, there's a whole bunch of ports. Where's my finger? Here's over here. Right here in the front. Oh, it's focusing on my finger now. A bunch of ports. So I basically wanted to see what the blue port was to one network, and then I had a black cable plugged into the far Ethernet port. And what I wanted to do is see the amount of traffic going between the two network ports in and out. But this didn't show that. So, oh well, but I got to see what was going on. Now, the only problem I have right now with 5.9.22 is if I do an internet speed test, this goes to 100% and sits there. And I don't think watching a YouTube video or surf the internet, this sometimes will spike and sit at 100% for no reason. See right there, it's going to 1%. It's probably somebody watching my cameras or something in the outside. But yeah, other than that, it's working great. So for under 80 bucks, a Pi, a case, memory card, 8 gig memory card, and the 7-inch screen to monitor stuff. So yeah, I'll put a link below to the case and the screen on Amazon.ca, and I'll also put a link to the Raspberry Pi default image you can get off their website in their link here. So there you go. Just a simple basic video.